Hi everyone, this is Trish. I look hideous, so you will not be seeing me in this video. Anyway, a lot of you have requested a new farm tour, so I thought I would do that really quick. This is the little pen, what we call the little pen. It's where we let the bottle babies out to when we first introduce them out of the barn. This past year, Jack and I took all this back fence down here. We dug it all out. We put new fence in. He put new border in, and it looks so much nicer, doesn't it? He did a really good job. I helped a little bit. I helped with shoveling. Thought I was going to die, but I did. I made it. Okay, so I have some, see, this is a new camera. See, looking out of the barn door there. Let's go let you all meet the babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Casper is the all... That's big time. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. I don't have a bottle. I don't have a bottle. You got a boo-boo. This is Rudy. She was the smallest one out of the quads that I told you all about. She's doing really well. And there's her sister, Tootie, Rudy and Tootie, because that was their attitudes. And there is Casper. And then we walk through the barn and out this door. Oh! What are you guys doing? Hi! There's Loverboy. He's my baby. Aren't you, buddy? There's Charlie. She's from last year bottle babies. And her baby's in here too. Can I come in, guys? Can I come in? Hi, baby. Hi, Loverboy. Are you feeling better today? You scare Mama. Loverboy had a rough year last year. He got gored. We had a fence down and had to put him in with a smaller buck that ended up goring him. There's Dude. Are you beautiful? I love you, buddy. Princess. I don't know if you can see her. You can see Princess better now. I don't know where little Ronnie is. Charlie's little baby. She is so pretty, but she looks so mean all the time. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. You okay, baby? What's wrong? You're okay. Dude. Loverboy. Dude is Loverboy's brother. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your little girl? There's Ronnie. She's right there, Mama. Charlie, you're a good mama. To be a bottle baby last year, especially.
Told me she had that phone.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is Mr. Legend. And behind him is Primetime. That's Loverboy's... He's the year after Loverboy, right?
I think so, yeah.
Primetime, you sure do look good, buddy. You sure do look good.
That is Ruby's girl. Ruby's standing in the barn watching. So
That's Izzy's.
Izzy's buck. He's almost lost his spots.
Our beautiful girl. There's 3 fawns together.
Yeah, they stay in groups. The other night, all 6 of them were together.
And the turkey's following. Hi, Copper. Maggie. They do really well together.
They do. What is?
That's not is. Aren't you is? You're a good mama. I'm awfully cute.
I can't reach anything. I'll cut them all down.
There are. Flies are horrible.
They were bad today.
Carla is Jack's baby.
I'm a baby for that.
He kissed Josie before you. He did. What do you think of that? I don't know if they'll be able to see her. Lacey. Lacey's 10, right?
Yes, she's 10 years old.
That is Princess's mama. Look at those flies chasing Izzy. There's Rudy and Tootie. Happy. I think you're the only one that can get him out of the corner. Is Casper not coming?
Casper's grooming himself. Big time coming.
Big time. Come on, buddy.
Big time horns are growing.
Come on, big time.
He's right there.
I can see his nose and his ear. Big time. Hi, baby. Who was that?
Go play with the girls.
Hi, baby. Casper, what'd he do to you?